Welcome to AD Shedshop.
Hey, it's AD. Welcome back to my shed shop. I'm gonna have to tell you, I turned up this morning, came into the shed shop. Last night we had a massive amount of rain. Judging by the buckets outside, I'd say at least 3 inches worth, 75 mil. Yeah, not a happy bunny. My shed shop is only couple of months, 6 months old maybe. And really we've had fair weather all summer, and yeah, it's not the greatest. So I came in after, of course, uploading my first video yesterday, thinking, yes, well done. I know I had a terrible ending, not to worry, it's one of those things. Learning curve, right? Everyone has to learn. I'm learning. Yeah. Well, why don't I show you what happened? Come with me. Ready? Okay. So we take a little wander around the shed shop, and over here we have my beautiful Rutlands. Is it Rutlands? Rutlands, there it is. This is it. Right there. Rutlands Lathe. I love this thing. This is the reason I bought my new shed shop. I bought a new lathe and decided to let the wife know it wouldn't fit in the old shed. Therefore, I needed a new shed shop. And yeah, well, I came in and there was this on my poor lathe. I was like, oh no. We had so much rain last night. It was shocking. So clearly, as you can see, the rain managed to get in. I'm not happy bunny. Yeah, look what it's right next to. Serious. Cleaning. I only ever used it once since I bought it. Well, I was kind of hoping to run through that journey with you. I used to have another one. That was terrible. As everyone does, you upgrade, right? Yeah, well, yeah, I upgraded and now look what I've done to it. Good job. I have Axminster. What do I have? Axminster. Tooling wax. Workshop wax? I think it's workshop wax. It's workshop wax. I can see it in the distance. So, okay. Haha. Nice new lights on there. Well, it's time to clean this up and re-wax. So, the beauty of this machine from Rutlands, can't remember which one this one is, I'm sure I'll put it down in the description, is it's forwards and reverse. It's a 6-speed, I think. Oh, I love it. It's to clean up the bed, you have to undo the end cap, slide off this monstrous lump, your tailstock, pop that there. Oh, it's even got it all the way up here. Darn it. Alright. Off with the banjo. I'll just pop you there. So, tailstock off, banjo off. First of all, let's see how much comes off. With just a wipe. It would appear nowhere near as much as I was hoping. So, Halford's Wet and Dry 1200 grit. Indacia Rhino Wet. Very nice. Don't really need to go wet on this. Just lightly going, just to take off. I mean, I waxed this not that long ago, so hopefully this won't take a lot to clean up these rust spots that have appeared overnight from that water ingress. all that awful rain that we are in. We're had an absolute awful amount of rain. Granted, nowhere near as much as Scotland. You don't want to go massively aggressive because obviously this is ground to perfection. All I am doing is lightly taking off the surface rust, that is all, and it's starting to work, which is a good thing because it's upsetting. It is upsetting, you know, one of your tools, I wouldn't say of your trade because, you know, to me this is fun. One of your fun toys, you know, has been hurt. Has it been hurt? It's been hurt by the thing that's meant to protect it. No, not me. The building. And I bought the building and it's nothing but ruddy hassle since I bought it. Would I recommend it? No. Not this building, I wouldn't. The 16 by 10. I can't remember who I bought it from. I can't remember who I bought it from, but it is not of their website. So I don't feel it would be fair to mention that I bought it from Robert Dias, knowing that it's not actually their shed. Whose was it? Woohoo! That's some doidy fingers. Doidy. Good old black thumb. Oh, it's like the old days. What's wrong with you? Black thumb. Well, not quite so black thumb. No. Black fingers. Surely that was a pirate at some point, right? Oh, I'm all black fingers. Come on. Well, I've completely sealed up the window. There's no way the water can actually get in through the window space now. Not a hope. Not a hope. Well, I say that. Not a hope means I hope not. Because I used a whole gun of mastic. A whole gun. A lot of mastic with corking. Outdoor corking. Weather sealing. Weather sealing, that's what I use. A whole gun of it. Whole tube. So, I'm hoping we've got bad weather tonight. And we have got bad weather coming tonight. Obviously I've got to replace the top that this is sitting on. That is blown. I did it in 18mm MDF because that was all I had at the time, and I thought, it'll be fine, should be strong enough. I suppose if it hadn't got wet it probably would have been strong enough, but now, if you know MDF is like a sponge. Gets a little bit of moisture on it and it becomes SpongeBob SquarePants. Absolute sponge, is awful. Come on, little more, and then we'll wipe it down. Maybe I should get some wet on this. Okay, this won't make you laugh, but good old Windoline. That's what I use. I use this for sharpening my tools. Helps if it's on. Use it for sharpening my tools. Yeah. You know, that's just daft, but the fact is, it works. I couldn't tell you where I got that from. I've done it for years. It makes people laugh. I get it. Why are you doing that? Well, I have no idea. But you know what? If you're in a pinch for a liquid and all you've got is Windoline, it works brilliantly if you're cutting through metal with a drill bit. and it's working quite nicely with this Rhino wet as well. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, there we go. That has come up quite nicely now. All that windowing has worked its magic. Yeah, okay. You just dry it off as best as you can. When I say as best as you can, you just, well, get it dry. You know, if you have to use 10 pieces of tissue, you use 10 pieces of tissue. Get that dry. Obviously, you don't want any extra moisture in there to get that going all over again. Now, the only problem with this is, I've told myself before, make sure you wear gloves, idiot. So, let's see if this works to remove fingers of dirt, shall we? Turn it on, shall we? That might be an idea, anyway. Whoops. Oh my god. I'm making more mess than what the water did coming through the window. Why did I squirt so much? It's all over the floor. Whoops. Oh, so my my chisel box from earlier. Yeah, it was wet inside. Yeah, it's now wet on the outside. You know what, that actually works quite well. So next time I will wear gloves, because, you know, I mean, come on, I will learn one day. I have a drawer full of them, and now I have to I have to clean up the floor and the box, and I suppose luckily, really, I got this floor. Oh, I shouldn't be. Now, luckily I got this box. No, not this box, this flooring that I'm standing on. Stop laughing. Okay, it's not funny. Oh, you ruin everything, you nimwit. Right, nincompoop. Come on, nincompoop. There we go. Right, let's get sure this is clean. That's still not clean. Come on, dry off. Get all that extra out. There. Okay, that's got it. Axminster workshop wax. This stuff is the absolute must, I think, for any, well, I'd say woodworker, but anyone with machines. Anyone with machines that especially loves their machines. I like my machines enough that I give, I shouldn't be telling you this. No. You'll find out someday anyway, because I will mess up. I give my machines names. Oh, it's not just me machines. No. It's my machines. Bikes. Oh yeah. Depending on how long you've been watching the videos, you may have noticed that behind me a lot of times there is a weird looking bike. Now, if you're in America, you may well know what that bike is, because it's an American bike. Personally, I call it Charlene. That is Charlene the limousine. What? Yeah, I hear you. What am I talking about? Like I said, I give things names. Is it weird? I don't think it's weird. I mean, people name their cars, right? Well, I'm not allowed to drive. No. Not through anything bad. I'm just not allowed to drive because doctors won't let me drive. That simple. Whoops. I put too much now. I'll just pop that in there and it's ready for next time. Now, let's let that dry a bit. Ooh, do this in a well ventilated place. That is quite something. Okay, right, I've let that dry for a little while. Now, just using a paper towel, come in, just to take off the slight excess that I may have put on by slight accident. Now I've taken the majority, tiny buff, that's all, little buff, nice clean. Right. And just start at one end and work your way along, and then you'll feel it. It goes from sticky, yep, that's how you know you got wax on there. Keep buffing, and it goes to smooth and glidey. Sticky, glidey, sticky, glidey. And that's all it is. Obviously a bigger area you could probably want to go circles, right? Well, you know, in some places you can't go circles. It's just the fact of the matter, you can't go circles in some places. So keep that there. There. Because you've heated it up, it's seeped in, it's got everything. That is now nice and smooth and glidey and rust free, thankfully. We're due a lot of rain tonight. A lot of rain tonight. And I do hope that my repair has worked. If it hasn't, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm open to suggestions. The fact is, it's, you know, hardly anyone watching this right now because this is only what, video number 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, not sure. Anyway, that's that done now. Beautiful, nice and smooth. Give that another little, get my fingers off of it. Fingers have acid in, don't they? Not fingers, skin. Fingers had acid in, we'd all be alien xenomorphs. Yeah. We'd all be some of them. Now, if it rains tonight, please do not mess up my machines. Please don't leak through the Shedshop. Right, in you go. There you are. Where are you? Where are you? I've absolutely no idea. There. There's you. Glides like an absolute tree. I do like my tools. Like I said, give them names. Some are obvious names. I like my drill. My new drill, Superman. Look at that. You gotta wax your steel, man. Gotta wax your steel. If you wax your steel, yeah, let's bring that in. How are you? Are you still on? Bosh. If you wax your steel, you look after it, it looks after you. Now all I need to do is make a new top for it. Look at this. It's awful. I don't know why I used MDF. I do know why I used MDF. I had it. Yeah, it's the only reason I used it. There, hear that? Hard, hard, hard. Soft, soft, soft. Yep. Terrible. Well, there you have it. That is hopefully my repair done to the window in my little shed shop. and hopefully the lathe will remain unrusty. Yeah, making up these words again, aren't I? Well, I made it up, therefore it's a word, right? Exactly. That's not in the English dictionary. You're just not looking hard enough, correct? Absolutely. So, yeah. Hopefully it remains unrusty. Hopefully you like the video, even though this video was, you know, painful to me. I need to replace that top. I'm looking at it bows. It's like that and then like that. It's not good. I think I'll go ply next time. Yeah, 18mm ply or just laminate it. But 36mm ply, there's no way that will bend, right? Crikey, I think that could be sunk in water and it still wouldn't bend. Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, well, I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. See you next time.